Hey everybody, Justin Senior here. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to use AI to track all of your expenses for your small business. This is super powerful. We'll jump right into it. And I'm going to show you by far the best way to track all of your expenses, how to do it the exact right way. And if you're a small business owner, I can guarantee that you hate accounting tasks, bookkeeping, keeping track of receipts, tracking your expenses, your income, all of the different forms and payment processors and vendors that you work with. It's a big headache, right? And I personally hate doing it, right? And I'm going to show you why I found the best way to do it and really saved me so much time. And that's by using SparkReceipt. And a really popular strategy that business owners are using right now, small, mid-sized business owners like myself, like you, they're using SparkReceipt's AI to automatically extract all of the data from receipts, from invoices, from your vendors, right? All the different financial documents and receipts and paperwork and emails that you get. It's going to automatically extract using AI, and it's going to categorize your expenses. It's even going to match them to your bank and credit card statements automatically. Long story short, it's going to do all of the accounting and bookkeeping work that you don't want to do when it comes to tracking all of your expenses. It's incredibly powerful, and it works in a simple 4-step process. Step 1, you simply snap your receipt. Literally just take a picture of it. It takes 5 seconds to do that. It could be a screenshot. It could be something you get in the mail. It could be a printout. Doesn't matter. Snap your receipt. It's going to automatically do AI categorization. This happens in just a couple of seconds. And it's going to find receipts instantly as well. Find the different numbers in there, the important aspects in terms of how much did you spend, what was it on, right? Documenting all of this inside and also allowing for one-click export for accounting purposes. Simple 4-step process, super easy to do. And the way to do it is to use SparkReceipt. Super powerful app, super powerful AI. We're going to go over the shoulder. I'm going to show you how easy this is, how powerful it is. It's a really great looking app, really easy to use, and you see the link directly below this video. Highly recommended. Get this app right now, and I'll walk you through exactly how powerful it is as we go over the shoulder. This is SparkReceipt, and you see it's an incredibly easy to use app. I'm opening this up on my iPhone, but you could do it on Android as well. You'll find it in the App Store and in the Google Play Store. And right when you load on here, you're going to see all of the different options that you have inside of this app. And you see, as a business owner, it's got all the different tools that I can ever dream of. And you see the menu that's over here. Very simple to use. But when you first load the app, you'll be brought into your dashboard. And it's going to show you your basics. This is going to be where you can, of course, scan your document. I'm opening the camera here, and I could scan a document, a PDF, a printout. Maybe I got it in the mail. Really, however I want to document it. It doesn't have to be expenses either. It could be expenses. It could be income. It could be bank statements. You might have some other financial documents, tax documents. You could set it up all in here, and you'll be able to set up your profile as well, so where you set your region and your time zone, your tax system, all that great stuff. And inside the menu, you could also get into users. You might have multiple members on your team. You could invite them right into this app so they could all use the same account. See, we have linked accounts as well. Really useful if you have multiple businesses, you have multiple people accessing the account. Document categories, you'll see that these are all of the different categories in here, and I'll show you how you could edit these as well. Right now we're looking at expenses. Here's income, and there's also the other section where basically we have just a really kind of additional bunch of categories, and you could always edit them to meet your needs. Maybe you want to change the name, maybe you call it something else, or maybe you want to create something in general new. You could do that with the Create New button. Very simple to do. Tax rates will come over here, and you'll set your tax rates over here. This is going to be dependent on each business, so you'll be able to set that up as per your needs. Payment methods, right? You're going to add all your different payment methods. You got credit card, of course, but you might have things like debit card, bank account payments, PayPal payments, cash payments, other payments you could track as well. Maybe things like Zelle, or maybe you're paying in some other way that is requested by your vendor. Still track it all in there. Send documents to SparkReceipt with email. Super simple. You literally just forward your documents. So let's say you get a bunch of email receipts, you just forward them. It couldn't be any easier there. You basically just do that instead of scanning if they're already on there. You can check your subscription out as well. This is I'm on the Pro subscription. You see everything that you get: unlimited smart AI scans. You scan as many receipts as you want, as many documents as you want. Add your accountant to collaborate. Forward those email receipts directly to the app, so you don't need to scan anything that's already out there, and so much more. You'll be able to change and manage your account inside of this app as well, right inside of your profile and under subscription. So always able to have full control. But really what you're going to be doing, again, spending most of your time over here. You'll even see your recent documents, and you'll be just coming in here. You get a document, you get a receipt, you get something mailed to you from a vendor. You simply just upload it. It's going to categorize everything automatically. You don't need to enter anything. You simply just take the photo, and you see I did that for my Vimeo account, automatically scanned it, got the amount, categorized it correctly. Couldn't be any easier. That's why SparkReceipt is so powerful, and that's why it's highly recommended. You see the link directly below this video. I've got an exclusive discount code for you to use. It's just my name, Justin Cehner, Justincener. It's going to get you a 15% discount, and this code's going to work when you sign up with your desktop browser application. You can't apply it through Apple Pay or Google Pay. Use your desktop browser. The code is Justin Cehner. You're going to get a massive 15% off discount. Make sure you get this installed on your Android, on your iPhone. It works on either one. You'll find it in the App Store. Highly recommended. I hope this helps you save a lot of time, and I'll talk to you real soon. Thanks a lot.